This is our room.
Hi. We used to do that.
In 3 countries in 3 days. Anyway, boss. Angie, run. We can't experience like that in the city. Finish, all gone. These are the notes, guys. Co-pilot.
Co-pilot. You said it like 3 times.
Red pedestrian cross. Give me the best advice. Close today. Abolished. Everything is dark. They have conductors.
In London.
Yeah. Special dish.
Yeah.
It's very clean, tasty. Yeah. Good for the money. Come here, please. These colors. Yummy. But I got. It's not easy. This is Tirana. Guys, we just got up.
Woke up 4 o'clock in the morning.
I'm still not feeling well. I think I got COVID. Something.
I think so.
But are we gonna give up? No. Okay.
Good morning.
This is our room and the view.
Hi.
Enjoying the view.
I think
Perfect view. It's a bit gloomy, but
it's okay.
still it's really nice. You can see that it's cloudy and the mountains. I just want to see how it's when it's sunny. I hope we can see some. Yeah, there are many helicopters.
So many constructions going on.
Yeah. Let's find out what is in the city. Guys, we're a bit confused as all the doors are closed. We go to the restaurant. Yeah. Oh, this is the restaurant. Okay. Hi, Abhi. Breakfast in
Hello. Good morning. Thank you for eating my time. You can bacon hari sausage hari select කරන්න පුළුවන්.
Guys, this is not a proper restaurant anyway.
නෑ යාලගේ නැහැ anything restaurant එකක් so they do what they can do anyway it's fine. Toast breakfast එකක් විතර ගන්න පුළුවන් toast with ham cheese and mayonnaise. අපි ඉතින් ඒක prefer නෑ. අපි මේක දෙමු.
Right, breakfast ready. Okay.
නෑ කොහොමද පාස්?
Yeah, oh.
ඒ වගේ. නෑ තව ඉන්නවා.
Sorry. Breakfast එක.
ඒක වෙනස් විදියක් ඈ.
Well, we had experienced this third breakfast. I mean, we have, but not like this.
Yeah. Freshly prepared. For biscuits as well.
This is me.
You know?
This is the kitchen behind.
Shall I try? Thank you.
The water.
You try?
Try that one. Got cookies.
That's lovely. Have 2 teas, please. Plain with milk.
Don't confuse.
I'm confused as well, like fruity.
Right.
Okay, that looks nice.
Then dinner first tea. Okay. The breakfast.
අපිට දීලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද fruit.
Yeah. Right, guys, we're gonna start the breakfast. It's yummy. The French already started.
I'm hungry.
Guys, breakfast is nice.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. The only thing is that
No buffet.
It's not supposed to. We would rather like have a buffet.
But it's
But it's
beautiful,
not
you know.
bad. It's not bad.
It's beautiful.
Nice. Guys, this is the most tasty jam ever I had.
Oh, bless you.
Seriously, that's really nice. I don't know if it's a jam or it's anything. So I'm just eating it itself.
It looks like marmalade.
Yeah. That we found was that jam. Is that jam?
Yeah.
It's called fig.
Fig.
jam.
Mm. Fig is like a what do you call it? Seasonal fruit, I think.
Yeah.
It's a seasonal fruit. You remember we ate that one?
Yeah. Actually, recently we found that in the supermarket, and for the first time I tried. And now today we got this fig jam, which is really nice. Wow, look at this view.
ලස්සනයිනේ. අර ගෙදර බලන්න. Thank you.
Alright guys, we're gonna go out. We changed the plan. Originally we were planning to go where? Montegro.
But we
But
changed.
we decided it's too much. I mean, I don't feel well as well, but we just came to enjoy, relax, and as possible in few days.
We used to do that before.
We used to do that before.
But we stopped now.
We have been 3 countries in 3 days, but this time,
No.
I think this is a big country, Albania. In my research, I found that the Tirana is the central of the country.
Yeah, central of the country.
It's like the same distance.
I think that's why it's small now.
Not really cold. It's like around 10, 50. Anyway, whatever comes, we accept it as it is. Here we are.
We are ready to go out.
We're ready to go out. We're going to explore Tirana while our AI assistant help us to find out which places that most attractive. So let's see what is the. I follow you. What's the time now?
I think it's near to 12 o'clock, but
It's nearly lunchtime, but somehow managed to get out.
because it was raining, it's fine.
It was raining and a bit lazy too. But anyway, let's see. Going to
Somewhere. Somewhere.
This is the hotel. Panchi. Say hello.
Yeah.
So we was.
Let me find the place.
This is the hotel where we stayed for 2 days, and we found this in Booking.com. Had some good reviews. I think like 8.4 or 9 something. 9. Bus. When we did the research, we found out that it's useful if you can buy a SIM here. But we just been to the shop and we check it out, and it's like, I mean, it's not worth it because if you're coming from UK, you have a coverage and you always can get the coverage to Albania, but it's not included. As example, I'm using 3. It's not included. That Europe cover, you have to pay extra, but it still is worth because you don't have to, buy separate SIM. So I would say if you come as a couple and then one can buy the coverage and then the add-ons, and then you can use the data unless you want that calls and the text messages and then stuff. It's not necessarily to buy SIM, but it's not that. The cheapest one is only 2 gig and 30 minutes, so it's not worth. So we need unlimited data. It's probably expensive.
Bus stop එක මේ හරිය තියෙන පැටිය.
And all the hotels provide Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
It's not
Of
bad,
course.
isn't it?
It's not too bad.
Yeah, that's about the network.
Network.
We are here now.
So if you still to buy, but we are just on the
if we
right.
stay in like at least 2 weeks, more than a week, it's worth to buy. But we just came for 5 days, and here we
I think this is the bus.
Oh, Panchi, just check if we can pay by card or I don't know.
No, we need to pay by cash.
Really? Yeah, this is the buses. I think it's like metro. I like that.
ඒක වෙන මොකක්ද කරන්නේ හලෝ.
Guys, we were waiting for the bus. Let's ask that. Can't wait anymore. Angie, run. We can't miss this one. Sit down. It's like a train.
ඔක්කොල්ලේ. අපි අර අන්තිම සීට් එකේ ඉඳලා.
No, I just want my God. අපි ලංකාවේ වගේ තමයි කාලේ ගේම experience එකක් ගත්තා. Ticket. This is how we got just 40 leg, isn't it? මේ ticket බලන්න තමයි ticket එක ඉරුවද. ලංකාව වගේ තාප පේට් කරලා දෙන්නේ.
It's nice. අපි මේක ගහන්නේ.
Is that the next one?
Oh.
Can I get out?
Can open.
ඊට පස්සේ
සල්ලි මාරු කරගෙන අපි වතුර බෝතලයක් අරගන්න ඕනේ. වතුර ඉවරයි ඔක්කොම.
Oh my goodness. This is the city.
හරි. යන්තම් ඇවිල්ලා එකකින් බෑ ගත්ත කොහොම හරි.
So we just get
We just
home.
get
Where is
off.
that?
Let's see.
This is Tirana city. That's all we know. We're gonna find out. Okay, first of all, we need to buy some water.
First of all, we need to
Exchange some
exchange some
euros. Because we just got like 50 euros exchange yesterday and it's finished. All gone.
all gone one
Quickly.
day.
I don't know who told that this is very cheap here. Everything, but it's not.
No.
Probably it is, but
It is,
we
but,
don't know actually. We can't figure out, until we spend some money. But let's see. This is, I like this. It's cosy. It's green, and people busy.
Yeah, it's busy.
How many shops? I like when it's people around and there are many shops. So I like.
I mean,
that
it's
vibe.
not too bad.
Guys, we found a place like all in one group. This is the main city, like the capital. It's quite busy. One thing I noticed
මේ තියෙන වතුර මයි.
so far, all the bus stops they have like small shop like that. With some beverages. It is good. If you need to buy a drink, basically water bottle. Oh, by the way, there are a lot of reviews that say that the drinking water, the tap water is not good here, so we need to buy water
Hello.
due to the health issues.
How much is a water bottle?
So one water bottle is 100.
Thank you. Look at this notes.
These are the notes, guys. It's really beautiful. It reminds us the Sri Lankan. You can see that hop on bus. It's not like in England or any other cities, but same thing. Same color. All right, guys. This is our first. And another thing we noticed that everyone has umbrella here because
No.
it's always raining.
Like
Not everyone,
UK.
basically, but they always selling umbrella. They even trying to sell some to us as well. So this is where is this, Anji? This is the place that recommended by our
It's
AI
Gemini,
assistant.
isn't it?
It's co-pilot.
Co-pilot. Oh, thanks to co-pilot.
Recommended this place.
You want one?
This place. This place was the first in the list. This called Skanderberg Square in Tirana. So this is it. Let's see. Let's explore what is in there.
Yeah. This is kind of like a Victoria Square in
Yeah, this is like every city has some place like city center and some places gathering people. So it's like a common place. I think this is kind of. And there's a statue. I don't know what it represents, but let's Google it. Kanche, what is the specialty about this place? All right. Thanks to Google, we gathering some information.
Square is
Thanks
main
for going to
main
manage
plaza
it.
in the center of Tirana. Ah, okay. The square is named after the Albanian national hero Skanderbeg. I think that's the man.
Okay. So it
The
has a
total,
history.
yeah, the total area is about 40,000 square meters.
So this is the place. I'm taking a 360 view. I think it's raining every day here. The main business here, selling umbrellas. I was saying that the main
You
business
said it
is,
like 3 times now.
is it? Oh, well, I have a problem with repetition.
Repetition.
This of it.
Okay.
So there's a boy and came asked if we need to take a picture, showing that his gesture, kindness, and that people here actually. It's good,
They're
right?
nice, yeah?
They're friendly.
nice.
They're friendly, yeah.
Shall we go to there, please?
I love tea.
I love
Tea means where?
Tirana. Love Tirana.
Right, we ordered some food. This is the place we eating pancake.
Hi.
Can I eat? Thank you. Ooh, nice. Let's enjoy. Let's see how it goes. ඉතින් පොඩ්ඩක්වත් ඉන්න බෑනේ. පොඩ්ඩක්වත් මොනවම තමයි. කොහේ හරි ගමන්න දන්නේ නැති භාෂාවකින් හරි ගමන්න. Sad story. The weather is not friendly today. Weather is not helping us at all. And so we just decided to not to go and go back to the hotel and have a rest. At least. Wrong? Okay. As you can see the difference in UK and here. It took a couple of minutes to get the road for the ambulance. Not too bad actually, all the cars. I think it's packed, isn't it? The roads are very narrow. I think this is the only country that we found red pedestrian cross. Red and white, isn't it? So you can recognize the country now, even without mentioning it.
I like it.
Are you? කොහොමද ලෙඩ වෙලා ඉඳලා කොහොමද ආතල් එක මේ ඇස්සටත් එමෙන්නද?
බැහිරියත් එක්කනේ ආවේ.
සිරාවට බැන්නේ.
It's not my problem, it's his problem.
So we lost in Tirana city. We don't know where to go now actually. We know where to go, but it's raining and it's making us lazy. I want to go to bed soon. I think we need to buy an umbrella. They don't sell umbrella.
We came Albania to rest.
To rest. We're
Not
resting.
to explore.
This is how we're resting.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm enjoying the rain. I love rain.
Oh, do you?
Yes.
Since when?
Now.
I love
2
rain
minutes ago.
if I am on the bed. I need an advice for tourists who come to visit Albania. Give me the best advice.
Don't come on October.
No,
Bring an umbrella.
bring an umbrella. If you visit Albania, bring an umbrella.
You need to have that's the most essential thing.
We see that everyone having that. umbrella except us. Otherwise, you have to bring your own car.
You can register that in with the umbrella. So
Yeah. Meaning of this, there are some statues. One more thing that I admire, countdown for the traffic lights. So that's I really appreciate it. Here we go. This what is this called, Panchi? Gantar. In Sinhala, I don't know how to. It's a bell. This is the third one. The second one, we always have that luck. The second one, I don't remember the name, but that one is closed today. It's only closed in Thursday, so it's Thursday today. That's how lucky we are. So we had to pick the third one. This is where we're going now for the third one. It's called, what's that? Pyramid in Tirana? Oh, thank you. There's something. Can you guys see that? There are too many steps. I don't think we need to go there. We just entered to that place. Showed on the map. It says Pyramid of Tirana. I think someone is there. Is this occupied? All plans abolished due to the bad weather. Yeah, we didn't expect that. ඉවැස්සේ අපි නගිනවා බස් එකට. අම්මා. අපිට වැස්සෙන් බාධා වුණා. ඒ නිසා හොටෙල් එකට ආපහු යනවා. ඒ පාකේ අද කේක් හොයන්න යනවා. හෙට මගේ බර්ත්ඩේ එක නිසා. පිස්සු ගෑණියෙක්. මට බෑ. මට දැන් අතරම හොටෙල් එකට යන්න මට ඇති වෙලා ඉන්නේ. තෙමිලා. I'm gonna support the cake. Birthday cake. හොඳ කට්ටක් කාලා තියෙනවා. Cake. We got 60 euros, which is equal to how much? Like
How much
nearly
is-
10,000? 10,000 lek. We got these beautiful notes that the value is nothing compared to this. We're going for dinner. We just got up after that. So
Okay.
Let's see. I'm still not feeling well.
let's
I
see.
think I got COVID, that new variant. Terrible headache. No, seriously. I'm glad that at least we can rest. Right, here we go.
Let's go.
Anji, what are you going to eat now? Whatever comes first.
Yeah.
You plan to have a drink, but I'm not sure.
Not sure.
Got out. Gone out. Let's see.
Sita like.
Oh, it's cold, Panchi.
Taste.
It's cold. This is where we're staying.
Sita yeah.
Busy as last night. Where we heading? We're heading this way, right?
Yeah.
Yes. We're this small town. Do you remember what's the town this? What small town this? I mean, it's like it's a small.
I don't know the names. It's weird names they got.
Oh,
Always. They have some weird names. I don't remember the names.
guys, we kind of feel like we lost. Everything is dark. Some shops open, but there's no any restaurant we can see. But
There's no
as you can
electricity
see,
or
this
something.
it's
There's
only
a power
half past 8 now. We walk now about 15 minutes.
No, I don't think so. Just
And-
only 10.
10. Okay, 10 minutes. I feel like 15 minutes I'm tired. And we still couldn't find a place to eat something. And it still is dark. I don't know, is the electricity problem or something. Oh, here you are. Here's something. Take away. I think we have to order from here. Look at that. Alright guys, we just found out it's electricity problem. Don't know, it's common here. It's Thursday and it looks like Thursday bank holiday for Albania.
We never know. So
Never know, so
don't
we
judge.
can't. Oh, I think they came back. See, everything lighting now. Tanchi,
Yeah?
I think that's like a power cut. So we experiencing Sri Lankan stuff here.
I know. And look
So
at
the buses
them,
they
they're driving.
have
They use
conductors,
their horns.
which is where after a long time we.
Be careful.
Tanchi, after a long time we saw us conductor collecting. I mean,
Had some feelings like we are living in Sri
we
Lanka.
in Sri Lanka, back in Sri Lanka. The people are also friendly, to be honest. Yeah.
And they have like bus conductors.
Okay, I think they power back. Probably we passed some restaurant now.
Which is not normal. We never seen it.
Guys, after like 20-15 minutes, we found the place. Looks like it's okay. Shall we enter this one? I think the closest one is better. That one is not. That's not a restaurant. That's just a bar. Yeah, the fruits coming. Fruit shops. Okay.
This is the bakery which I looked for. You remember? No, they have nice cakes.
Oh yeah, you could have come here before. That's nice bakery. This is common in Europe. So Albania still remains some Europe
Yeah.
things.
Some bits.
Yeah, we were wondering actually whether it's in Europe or in somewhere Asia. Oh, this is the restaurant. Hamme.
Oh, I
think this is the one, Tanji.
bar restaurant petty.
Oh, we have passed that one, okay.
Oh, well, luckily
Thank God Tanji got good eyes, otherwise we will miss that.
No, actually I searched it. Otherwise I couldn't.
Oh, it looks like nice place.
Yeah, it's called like petty. Something.
Petty.
Petty
Not
bar
too- I
restaurant.
don't know how to
Dogs not
pronounce this.
allowed. So, am I okay to go? Hopefully they have something to eat.
I hope they have good food. Here we go.
Yeah.
We have entered from the back door. Who knows? මෙහෙ මම මෙන්න මේ විදිහට මිනිස්සු සල්ලි තියලා යනවා දැකලා තියෙනවා හැබැයි. මේ යෝයින් බැලුවම හොඳ රටක්. Nice. Right guys, finally we found something. This is the place.
He said, start karna.
At least one view. They don't have one.
It doesn't have kebab.
Anyway, whatever that we can have some
Chicken
hot.
fillet there. Like Arishta,
What's
I guess.
that name? The one
This
is
one
with
is Jagannath.
start with J. Where the boy recommended that one, and we got it. This is not the finished one. This is the one we got. Okay, we're gonna try it now. And you're gonna try it. If you don't die, then
He
I'm
said,
gonna
you know, he said it's sweet.
Let's see. Not all. Leave some for me. How's that? Wait.
You know what is that?
What's that? It's alcoholic.
No, it's
What's that?
You remember when we in London,
Yeah.
we tried this kind of like shots.
Oh.
What's that?
I don't remember. But something like boosting. Yeah, it's like burning
It's
inside.
Chinese extract.
Stanis?
Yeah, it's Chinese extract kind of thing.
Ah, okay. But it's not too bad.
Huh? Yeah, it's fine.
Guys, we just received the one of the special dish. Then they will bring the other one. Here we go, Panchi. This probably. Here we go. The other one.
Right? Ah, okay.
Oh, you got chips.
Is it like a national dish? Yes. Oh wow! Thank you.
So this is one of Albanian special dish.
Yeah.
It's made with meat. I mean beef something.
Beef.
But everyone recommended
I
that
saw everyone recommended in, especially in TikTok. They said like just try it.
travel box. Let's see. See? Guys, as I mentioned earlier as well, everything is very clean, very hygienic, I guess, and food also tasty. Yeah.
Nice.
So we can highly recommend this place, and not only this place. I mean, even our hotel and wherever we've been even before, everything is very clean, and people also very neat. You can see everyone. So,
Yeah.
what?
Nice.
Yeah, it is nice. Guys, we didn't expect this nice place. We can find a place, and can enjoy here. So we
Because there was no
didn't even bring our
electricity,
stuff
I think.
to record properly. So we found a place to put the camera like that. It's really nice.
Lovely.
Wow. And it's a good portion, and the portion always is like
Almost, yeah.
more than we expect. A good thing that you cancel that order. I tried to order some more, and Panji said that no, that's enough. We got one more actually, so even before that we're gonna be full. Just believe me, the best what's that beef curry we ever eat. I don't know whether it's curry or not, but I don't know. That's really tasty.
I would say
And
beef.
we can never find this kind of meat curry in England or anywhere
No, because it's all like
because we kind of
Yeah.
eat like raw meat there. That's the only thing. But this is like
so. Some
super tasty.
TikTok recommendations are right.
yeah. This
Yeah,
is super
bro.
tasty. We're still waiting for some chicken stuff. Let's see. So you can imagine how tasty that food. we barely licked that plates. Angie did that. We got the other one. This is we got the bill. It looks like it's very cheap, and we are full now. Panji?
Yeah.
It's really,
So good.
really worth for the money. Yeah, nice place. Can recommend anyone who come to Albania.
It's gonna
Probably
be like-
it's not the season now. Maybe
The 20 euros. So.
it's nearly 20 euros. Not bad because you got like 2 drinks, special drinks, special food, everything. All right, guys, we just had our dinner, and now we have to walk back to the room the same way, about 20 minutes, I think. Anyway, we are full now, so it's good to have some snacks. Panchi,
Huh?
so what's our plan tomorrow?
Oh, look
We
at
need to buy
that.
something. It's a bakery behind me. Sorry. Right. Hello. 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 Oh, the people friendly here. Don't stop. Come here, please. And she wants to have a look there. That's it.
Yeah, just to.
Ah,
After
look
making
at
cake,
this.
क्या कराएंगे ना दिन में? You told me, I know.
Nice. Guys, I love these colors. Sweets. Food is like it's very juicy and it looks yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
It looks yummy everything.
That's your baby.
What I got.
Okay.
This and pistachio with you, right? What you got?
Let's go.
You go. There are some electric. I think one other thing notice is like
So we have to pack our things today, isn't it? Let's pack.
there are electric cars very popular here, which is good thing.
It's good.
So ලස්සන එළිය එනම් මාර tobacco VIP, tobacco and stuff. Found it. We're heading back to the hotel and let's see how it goes tomorrow morning. Hopefully we can book a bus. And now we realizing actually it's not easy. These countries we have. That's not what I'm worried actually. This is a big country. So if you want to travel someplace and it's not easy, there are public transport, but well, when you come for the first time, you can't expect that everything goes well, isn't it? So you can expect some unexpected scenes like us. Like we hope to go to Montenegro today, but then we realize that's just waste of time. It's like a 12-hour travel, and there's no point. Okay then, this is Tirana.
Happy birthday!
I don't know whether you like it or not.
I like it.